Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you the ultimate pregnant belly hack in Dress to Impress. It's super simple and you only need one items. So this is how the pregnant belly will look like. Now let me show you how you can make this one. So in here you can just put on this hat for the belly and change the color to your skin tone and make the material silk or light silk, and in here you can just use the adjustment feature like this. Let's bring it down and you can adjust the position to how you prefer. You can change how you want the belly, how big you want, just by adjusting the position and also the scale. And here is my adjustment. So for position, I change the Y to 11, Z to 51, and the rotate, change it into 39 for the X, and change the scale to 46. And this is the final look of the pregnant belly hack in DTI. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.